What is up guys, I'm JB and today I'm gonna take over this video. Shai's not here because umaris X. First of all, I hope you guys don't mind me taking the place of Shai. In behalf of Shai Man, thank you Rakk for sending the Maris X for review. Details and specifications can be found on both sides of the packaging. Inside the box, you'll find the LED controller. You'll get a hub with 10 fan connectors. This is for controlling the lighting. Molex power pin connector that you'll plug directly to your power supply. And of course, the 120 Maris X fans. Don't forget the mounting screws. Setting it up is fairly painless. You just need to hook all your fans to the controller. You have to connect the fan from 1 to 10 in order. There's an adhesive pad on the bottom so you can mount it in the back of your motherboard tray. The wirings of the fans has a proprietary connector, which means you'll need the controller to use them. Since we're using the Rakk case, we will have a built-in control for our fans. A triple pack of these with the controller goes for about 1,495 pesos. You can buy them individually, but I don't think you can buy a single fan with a controller kit, so you can change the light modes. You'll have to buy the Maris X lighting kit. You can then buy additional individual fans for 400 pesos. You can get them at Rakk.ph or any Easy PC stores. Links will be in the description. It is standard 120 by 120 by 25 dimension. The fan is equipped with anti-vibration pads which ensure less vibration and noise. The cable is braided and long. It has a noise level of 20 decibels. It is pretty quiet, thanks to the hydraulic bearing that greatly reduces operating noise. You can change the speed of the effect on some of the other modes. It is limited to 7 colors, but it is capable of tons of lighting combinations, with a total of 17 lighting modes. Here's a demo of the lighting. The LED ring is vibrant and bright. The lighting effect is visible from all directions, and I like how it is evenly diffused. It is fairly soft and balanced. It also adds aesthetic to your rig. Honestly, I am impressed how bright it is, and I really like the uniformity of the color. The performance is decent and it's pretty quiet. Although the controller feels a bit plasticky, the fan itself is solid and fairly heavy. There are tons of lighting modes and really look amazing. It will complement your build, especially those with tempered glass cases like Shai Mine's. My only complaint is that you can't really control the fan speed. I am confident though to recommend these fans to anyone wanting to take their setup to the next level for a lower cost.
Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to help and support the channel, please use my links in the description. It won't cost you extra and it will help me make more videos for you guys. Follow me on Twitter and Facebook just for fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Till next time, God bless.